Before we introduce instantaneous speed, we need to make one very important distinction: an instant is not the same as a time interval. The difference sounds simple, but confusing the two leads to many mistakes. Imagine a timeline marked at t equals 0 seconds, 1 second, 2 seconds, 3 seconds, and 4 seconds. These marks are like the marks on a ruler, except that they measure time instead of position. Each mark identifies one instant. An instant is one precisely specified moment. For example, t equals 2 seconds means the moment exactly 2 seconds after the measurement began. It is not a period and it has no duration. It is one point in time. Think of pausing a video. A frozen frame shows how the scene looks at one instant. But one frozen frame cannot show how far an object moved during a span of time. To describe motion, we often need a time interval. A time interval is the duration between two instants. The interval from t equals 0 seconds to t equals 1 second lasts 1 second. That entire interval is the first second of motion. So the first second is not the instant t equals 1 second. It is the complete interval from 0 seconds to 1 second. The same idea appears on a ruler. The first meter is not only the mark labeled 1 meter. It is the whole distance from the 0 meter mark to the 1 meter mark. In the same way, the first second is the whole duration from 0 seconds to 1 second. Now follow the next intervals. The second second is the interval from t equals 1 second to t equals 2 seconds. The third second runs from 2 seconds to 3 seconds. The fourth second runs from 3 seconds to 4 seconds. This distinction is especially important when a moving ball is photographed once every second. Suppose we have pictures of the ball at 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4 seconds. The phrase average speed during the second second does not mean speed at the instant t equals 2 seconds. It means the average speed over the complete interval from 1 second to 2 seconds. We compare the ball's position in the picture at 1 second with its position in the picture at 2 seconds. An instant is therefore like one point on the timeline. A time interval is the segment between 2 points. An instant has no duration. An interval does. Suppose the ball travels 5 meters from t equals 1 second to t equals 2 seconds. The duration of that interval is 1 second. Its average speed during the second second is 5 meters divided by 1 second, which equals 5 meters per second. But if we ask for the speed exactly at the instant t equals 2 seconds, we are asking a different question. That is not the average over the entire second. It leads us toward the idea of instantaneous speed. So keep these two mathematical pictures separate. The expression t equals 2 seconds identifies one time point. The expression from 1 second to 2 seconds identifies the complete second interval. Average speed naturally belongs to a time interval, because an object needs a duration in which to travel a distance. We cannot say that an object traveled 5 meters in one durationless instant. It travels that distance during time. Physically, an instant tells us when something is observed. A time interval tells us how long a change lasts. Keeping points and intervals separate is the key step before we describe speed at one particular instant. If this explanation helped, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave your physics question in the comments. We will do our best to answer it.